Hello, me again. Oh, it's just a little update I suppose on the MiG and something completely different. I'm starting build of the Challenger because I spent actually a whole day yesterday watching various videos on armoured vehicles, building tanks, picking up a few ideas and whatnot. So yeah, the MiG, I'll show you the MiG. Right, she's looking better, but you can see here I've got hide overspray, so I'm trying to touch it with a brush. You can see it's a bit darker. I've done the tanny colours. I've had to brush paint that because there's so much fine overspray on it. I tried cleaning it off, but the blue tack would not stick and masking tape wouldn't even stick, so I had to brush the tan colours on. Also took the masking off the canopy because it was starting to lift on the edges, but it looks a neat enough job to me. So hopefully I'll get away with the brushing out. If not, I'll have to try and spray that. Now I thought the brown was come out light, but I've actually gone over this part with a brush because it had little bits like here on the green, bit of overspray, and they've actually come out the same colour. Now I've got a bit of the lighter green to do later, and hopefully that should look alright, and then that'll be near enough ready for the gloss coat for washing and transfers, and get that Mustang into the same stage. I've been doing the undercarriage. Now I was watching tank videos yesterday. There was a point, I think it was Cohen said, I don't know, that tyres aren't black, and when you think about it, he's right. Tyres are not black, they're a grey. So I've been playing, I don't know if you can see very well, on the Land Rover. Let's get that in a bit of, can't see it too well. You can see I've left part of that black at the front, just to try and see the difference, but the rear one I think might be a bit too grey. And I've also, which looks a bit heavy now in the proper light, tried doing a bit of streaking and a bit of mud effect on the tyre and wheel. But it's probably too heavy. I've done it white because Land Rovers are aluminium, so it won't be red rust as it were. But so I'm trying little bits like that because I want the tank to come out proper, have a good job. So so because he's done that, I've also, let's see that I'll pick up and focus, probably not. Anyway, I've done the wheels, the tyres on the aircraft wheels, that same sort of a dark grey colour as well, and they look much better. But what I'm about to do is the Challenger, because I'm just itching to get a tank going. And obviously I can't do the M113 because I've got about another 2-3 weeks before I do that. So what I'm about to do is make 4 of them support rollers. Got 2 drive sprockets to do with the polycaps. Polycaps is all out ready. 12 of the road wheels and 2 idler wheels, and then start sticking bits and bobs on the hull. Then not sure about sticking wheels on yet, because Cohen doesn't, so I won't. See how it goes, but I want to get it sort of built and then primed. So I'm going to get well and truly stuck into that. So didn't do any more of them in the end. I started doing other things, and I've been playing this morning on Land Rover. So, but anyway, that's a quick little update, and I shall update you on my progress. So I'll see you later. Ta-ra.